Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. You've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place eye primer in shade 1. You definitely want to shake it first, as you see me just do, to make sure it's not watery. Now I'm going to set that with my ABH setting powder in Deep Peach. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place bronzer palette in dark, and I'm just going to take a mixture of those two shades and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette, and I'm going to take the white shade right there and I'm just going to put that on my lids, and then I'm going to take the brown shade up top and put that right next to it. Now I'm just closing off the end parts of my eyes with that bronzer that I used, that I put in my crease. Now I'm using my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm going to use my AOA Studio lash glue, and I'm going to use my Ioni lashes in the style Fluffy Full Feather. And now to make sure there's no gaps, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil as well as my Essence mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm using my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using my Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm using my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in 13 Chestnut. Now I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm just using this for some more coverage and put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. Now I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm going to use this to highlight and actually put this all the places where the light will naturally hit. Now I'm just going back in with my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm just using that to contour my nose and just bronze the other parts of my face. And now I'm using my AB8 setting powder again just to set that concealer I blended out. Now for my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there. I'm just going to use that for my blush. Now I'm using the Pat McGrath Bridgerton highlighter, Sublime highlighter. This is in Stream Gold 002, and I'm just showing how it looks. And the packaging, I just love it, y'all. It's so pretty. It definitely is one of my, I ain't going to say one of my new, it is my new favorite highlighter. So I just love how pigmented it is. Now for lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. This is in Making Moves. Now I'm going to use my Cover Effect Setting Spray to set my face. And that is it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I just want to kind of do something on the simpler side, softer side. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. It's all free. I'm definitely trying to grow my channel, y'all. Also, I upload a short every Monday and a video every Friday. So I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.